Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Reflect Mini Noise Cancellation earbuds and I'm gonna show you how you can compare them with your iPhone. So the first, you have to remember to charge the case and earbuds inside at least to the 50%. And another step, it's very simple, we have to move them to the pairing mode. So you can wait for a few seconds and just take a look if this indicator is blinking quickly on the blue. Just like that. As you can see in my case, it just happened automatically after a few seconds after opening the case. But if you have still a problem, you can make it manually. So we can use this button, this one, and click on it twice, just like that. And after you make it, it will also start blinking quickly. So another step, just go for the settings on your iPhone, open the Bluetooth, then tap on the Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see right now, the JBL Reflect Mini Noise Cancellation is visible to our iPhone. So we can simply tap on them once. And right now we are successfully connected. Another step to get more features of this earbuds, just open the App Store. You have to tap on the search pool and type JBL headphones. That's the application that allows us to use more features of these earbuds and basically of almost every JBL headphones. So let's simply tap to download and now just wait until the install will be finished. Okay, right now we can open. You have to accept all the permission that pops on the screen. Click to get started. Click accept, click OK, and as you can see, when we previously connect them by standard Bluetooth settings, they will be also already visible on the application. You can just get started and skip this quick guide. And as you can see right now, we got more features of this great earbuds. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.